guys, we're here at Umi Hot Pot here in Rockville. So this is a seafood buffet. We're gonna try it out. They have the barbecue ramen and hibachi here. They have variety of food that you can choose from seafood, beef, and like Chinese food. So we will try. See ya! So I'm gonna show you around. We're here at Umi Seafood Buffet. They have a variety of sushi. Looks so good. Show you around. This is a pretty big area. Yes, they all taste good. The quality, it's 100%. Like your money's worth it, and it's not even expensive. It's very affordable. Yeah. See? Those. They have dim sums as well. And they have a ramen area. You can customize your ramen. They have 4 flavors. They have tonkatsu, miso, and umi, and seafood. Here. Have you tried the... yeah, we've tried that already in Towson. It's also very good. And we liked it. Last time we went to Shady Maple in Pennsylvania, but to be honest, this one is way better than that. Maybe because we're Asians, we don't like much of American food, but for me, this one is way better. But we already tried that Cape Cod. Yep, and they also have the hot pot. There. You can customize your hot pot. And also, they have this one. I tried it. It's so delicious. This is
abalone.
And they have steaks. Different. They have a yes.
Baka naman hindi naman nakalayo.
So yeah, I'm eating my crab right now. I'm enjoying it.
We are enjoying.
Yeah, we are enjoying. Right, Suzette?
Yeah.
Let's try this. Oh my God! Si Aligay. Ano hindi siya Aligay?
I don't know. The fat.
Their crab is the best. This is a blue crab. Yung ba yung blue crab?
No.
Hindi.
No. Luncheon is good.
It's similar in Philippine crabs. Wala na ako nakain. Nahirap kainin.
Ayoko na.
Let's try their sashimi. Sarap.
Ano mo ramen mo?
Ramen?
Saan?
Yeah.
So your ramen.
We have ramen.
You have unlimited ramen.
Limited ramen. limited. What is this?
Milk tea.
Milk tea,
Yine yiyoruz,
different
hadi
flavors.
Papaya.
Yeah.
Ano po? Rice. Rice one, rice one.
Ewan pa malagkit. Like sticky rice. Let's try their siomai. You know, their abalone is the best. I think this is baked
Yeah.
abalone. Bacon butter and cheese. Try it. It's good. So, Rockville is like less than 2 hours away from Bel Air. But it's worth it. You know, it's worth coming here, worth the drive, because the food are really good. My favorite one. The juice. What's this? This one, oh, it's a crab salad. Crab salad, try it. Harap siya. Tikman mo. You have allergy in seafood? Harap, di ba?
I just don't eat.
Harap siya. Ito. Good.
Can you have that drink, please?
This one?
No, the green one.
So they have the Guras jelly drink. And also, we will not believe, but we actually met Beyonce. She's a Filipino influencer here in Maryland. She's kind of famous. Later on, I will show you my vlog with her, okay?